Hello mga Repa Pips! Welcome ulit sa One Up Quest where epic gaming quests await. I'm Adjusi at di natin kasama si Yukiko. Solo adventure tayo ngayon para sa Metal Gear Solid na PlayStation. This game is from Konami. Ito yung isa sa mga larong hindi ako makatiis, hindi umuwi na maaga from school para makapag-continue lang sa game. Okay, without further ado, let's level up our adventure with One Up Quest. Yep. Ayan na, dito na tayo sa difficulty. Siyempre, pipiliin ko yung normal. Si David Hater pala to. My God, naalala ko pa to dati. Actually guys, hanggang dito lang ako sa stage na to dati. Demo disc lang naman kasi ang meron ako dati, no? Sorry naman. Demo disc siya galing sa Pizza Hut. Maloko to, bothersome flies pala kami ah. Yari ka saan mamaya kung sino ka mang long hair ka. Bothersome flies. Salamat kang ngongo ako ngayon. Ay, yung codec.
This is Snake. Colonel, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. What's the situation? If you need to, contact me by codec. The frequency is 140.85. When you want to use the codec, push the select button. Small bones of your
Ash! Okay na to, papalag na ako. Huwag mo akong palalahanan, lolo. Kaya ko na to. Ako si Snake. Ang hirap pala gumapang, Diyos ko. Ah! Ang kalaban. Gapang tayo. Walang tao dito. Ah! Balik. Taktik kung ako tong stormtrooper na to, nakikita ako na tong si Snake. Alam ko may gamit dito. Ayun. Pagkain. Ay! Nandiyan na siya! Walang tao dito. Shoo! Yan. Ay, pucha naman. Ano ba talaga? Walang iya kayo. Pupunta na ako eh. May natawag eh. Alam mo, ang angas ni Snake sa ganitong suit. Ano gumamit ng item dito? Okay. Uy, sigarilyo. Okay lang yan. Gusto ko manigarilyo. Go! Yan. Di ba tayo maaamoy ng mga kalaban dito? Naninigarilyo ako. Ang hazardous to your health. Ay, nababawasan ako. Hazardous nga. Hindi ko nagagamitin yan. Ay, nako, it's about time pare ha. Kanina pa ako naghihintay. Bro, aalis ka ba sa elevator o what? Shoo! Nakikita kita sa mapa, nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Yay! Woo! Nagtanggal na siya ng pang-swimming outfit niya. Para yung angas ka kung may ganyan ka eh. Di ba pwedeng yan nalasutin mo? Bulag. Bulag si Snake. Wala siyang mata. So, napakabagal ng elevator na to. Ang angas ng title screen. Metal Gear Solid. Ang cool. Metal Gear talaga. Napaka-metal talaga yan. Metal na metal yan. Nanggigigil ako ah. Wala na. Hindi ko na to alam. Asan ako? Ay! Ang angas ng transition.
It's Snake. I'm in front of the disposal facility.
Excellent,
Pucha,
Snake.
legendary talaga yung boses ni David Hater dito.
How's that sneaking suit working out?
I'm nice and dry, but it's a little hard to move.
F-16? Ano ba F-16? Jet yun, diba?
Behind D. Colonel, what's a Russian gunship doing here?
I have no idea, but it looks like our little
Pucha, ang lamig niyan. Bye-bye. Kakarnihin ko na yung mga foot soldiers nyo. Ay.
There are only 18 hours left until their deadline. You've got to hurry.
Wow, you must be crazy to fly hind in this kind of weather.
Who's that?
Oh, sorry. I haven't introduced you to yet. This is Mei Ling. She was assigned to us as our visual and data processing specialist.
Nice to meet you, Snake. It's an honor to speak to a living legend like yourself. What's wrong?
Nothing. I just didn't expect a world-class designer of military technology to be so cute.
You're just flattering me.
Walang
No,
hiya.
serious.
Naglandian pa si
Well, I know I
Snake
won't
tsaka
be
si
bored for the
Mei Ling.
next 18 hours.
I can't believe
Awkward.
about the famous Solid Snake. But I'm surprised. You're very frank for a trained killer.
Looks like we both have a lot to learn about each other.
Yeah.
Mga
I'm looking forward to
pikapan.
learning about the man behind the legend. But first, let me explain about your Soliton radar system.
Ayos. Okay na ako. Kaya ko to. Ang dami yung sinasabi. Ang dami yung sinasabi.
I'm counting on you, Snake.
Ako pa. Dito daw. Isa lang daw yung kalaban dito. Uy. Uy. Item. Puno na.
Surveillance camera?
Diyos ko naman talaga. Sira ulo kang surveillance camera ka ka. Di mo ko mahuhuli. Bulag. Aray ko. Ako si Snake. Ikaw kanina ka pa. Bugbugin kita eh. Bugbugin kita. Hindi gigil ako sa'yo. Ay, andyan na naman siya. Buhay na naman.
Whose footprints are these?
Huh? Whose footprints are these? Hello, motherfucker.
Whose footprints are these?
Wala. Yay, may kalaban na naman. Dito. Ay, pwede pala dito. Socom? Di ba palabas to sa TV? Ano yung Socom? Ah, pistol. Pwede ko ba silang patayin? Saka may butas daw dito eh. Ano to? Uy! Yay! Hindi mo ako makikita, gumagapang ako. Ako si Snake. Kung napakahirap naman ng trabaho mo, Snake, magkano kaya bayad sa'yo? Ano? Ako si Snake dahil isa akong snake. Dali, paano ko lalagpasan tong... Gagapangan kita. Yay! Pwede ba dito sa ilalim ng kotse? Ay, ayun. Bro, ako si Snake, bro. Snake. He! Tumatawag kayo kung kailan nandito na.
That base must have some kind of ventilation system to recirculate the air. There should...
Ay, obvious ba? Ito na nga ako, oh. Oh. Galing ko. Ha? Sir Ratatouille! Hello!
Bruh.
Diyos ko naman.
Snake, this is McDonald Miller. It's been a long time.
Master, what are you doing here?
Guide pala yung mga Ratatouille. Hello! I-guide nyo ako, nanggigigil ako sa inyo.
How are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Oh! Wala na, nalunod na yung daga. Paano yan? Namamatay na yung daga, Ay, hindi. Uy, ang bilis nyo ah. Nag-teleport kayo. Ang cute nyo. Pipigain ko kayo. Wow. Saan na ako? May mga tangke pa. Pucha, pag nahuli ako ng mga yan, parang kakanyonin ako. Pero saan ba tayo pupunta? He, umalis ka dito. Bakiling ko yung paa mo. Yay! Diyos ko naman. Tatawag na naman.
Use the elevator to change floor.
Pwede mo ba akong paglaruin lang man lang, kuya? Yeah, may... Wala ko may item dyan, no? Akin lahat ng item! Kasi para wala namang item, niloloko ako. Meron! Hindi tayo niloloko ng instinct natin, ha? Item yan, eh. Item, get ready. Ay! Uy, grenade. Simula ngayon, hindi na ako si Ajushi. Simula ngayon, ako si Ajushi Snake. Pakapangit. Pinilit yung snake, eh. Uy! Ah! Ay, ayun. Ay, eto. Ay, eto nga. Ayun. May kita pa tayo. Ayun lang, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan ako. Diyos ko, Colonel! Tawag ka ng tawag!
Look at the radar. It's picking up the DARPA chief. He's the green dot. Hurry and rescue him.
Okay. Naalala ko na kung saan yung DARPA. Ano to eh? Yung mga kumakanta to eh. Yung up DARPA down. Hindi ko nasasagot. Bahala kayo tumawag dyan ng daldal nyo, ha? Hindi nyo ako ipaglaro na lang dito. Tawag kayo ng tawag. Jumijebs pa to.
Kinda damn cold. I hate Alaska. Boy, oh boy, that woman is built all right.
Walang hiya ka, hindi ka nagpunas ng... Hindi ka nag-tissue. Hindi siya nagpunas ng puwet. Wala, jumebs lang, tapos umalis na. Okay yun, ha? Ang antot siguro nun. Tama ba dinadaanan ko?
Is that a woman?
Is that a woman daw?
Snake, the DARPA chief's signal is coming from somewhere in that area. Isn't there some...
Boss, yun nga yung ginagawa ko eh. Tawag ka ng tawag eh. Ay. Ayun na pala. Yan ba yung DARPA chip?
Who's that?
Boss, banda ka ba? Alam ko banda talaga yan. Ikaw
I'm here
yung
to save
vocalist.
You're the DARPA chief, Donald Anderson, right?
You here to save me, huh? What's your outfit?
I'm the pawn they sent here to save your worthless butt.
Wow.
Really? It's true. You don't look like one of them. In that case, hurry up and get me out of here.
Plan to launch.
Ang ingay nila magkwentuhan.
Warheads. They shouldn't have access to a missile.
What I'm about to tell you is classified information. Okay? We're conducting exercises with a new type of experimental weapon. A weapon that will change the world.
What?
A weapon with the ability to launch a nuclear attack from any place on the face of the Earth.
Yan lang.
A nuclear-equipped walking battle tank.
Metal Gear. It can't be.
So si Metal Gear ay isang tangke?
Metal Gear is one of the most secret black projects. Already finished.
Pucha talaga to dalawa ay naririnig na kayo ng guard, oh! Huwag kayo magkwentuhan ng ganyan.
They're all experienced.
Parang mga nagkwekwentuhan lang na sa klase to.
Hey! Shut up in there, will ya?
O, diba? Pwede naman kayo magbulungan lang.
What about the Pentagon?
Pentagon. What is it?
Pucha. Uy, nangyari dyan.
Hey,
Natake sa puso. Dude! Na-death note siya! Nasulat ka ni Light Yagami. Teds.
Dead.
I know, right?
Naomi, the chief. What happened?
I don't know. It looked like a heart attack, but
A heart attack? No,
Colonel, are you hiding something from me?
absolutely not. Snake, you've got to understand. This op is security level red. You need the highest security clearance to get access to the complete file.
You want me to believe that you're in charge of this op, but you don't have complete access to the file?
I told you, the Secretary of Defense is in operational control. I'm just here as your support. Snake, we don't have time to debate. Get out of there and find President Baker.
Wow, puto sana kung ganun lang kadali, ano. Bakit pa may binubugbog? May item ka? Ba may item? Item nga! Ano, ration na naman. Ano nangyari? Knock knock.
don't move.
Dali, tama ba nakita ko kanina? Ba't yun nakahubad?
Chief, you bastard. Liquid? No, you're not. Don't move.
Ate, nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Ikaw yung babae, no?
Gun at a person. You've never shot a person, am I right?
You talk too much.
You haven't even taken the safety off, rookie.
I told you I'm no rookie.
You're not one of them, are you? Looks like we'll be a little delayed.
Ayun lang!
What are you doing? Don't think. Shoot!
Oh, bangila na tayo!
What are you waiting for? Shoot!
Sandali, ba't may nakahubad sa gilid?
I'm telling you, shoot!
Shoot! Oh my god, akin na lang yung baril mo. Ah, ba't na nakahubad? Kita puwet! Uy, item. Sa akin lahat yung item.
That was legitness. Yeah.
Ate girl, barilin mo! Walang iyate. Ang gigigil ako sa'yo. Yan. Ano yan? Bakit? Ay ko! Saan? Ako ba naghagis nun? Mamamatay na ako. May naghagis ng granada. Sa pool ako eh.
Thanks
Ako.
for the help.
Matalisod ka sana! Aba, zinumpa sa puwet.
Who are you?
Siya si Ate Puwet. Ay, ang daming bala ha. Medyo nanggigigil na ako doon. Uy!
Just like that.
Ano yung kinontrol siya nung... May psychic nga doon.
Naomi, I just had some kind of hallucination. Is it from the nanomachines?
No, Snake. The nanomachines are functioning properly.
So what was it?
It must have been psychometric interference coming from Psycho Mantis, Foxhound
Psycho
Psychic.
Mantis.
Think of it as a mental feedback loop.
So that was Mantis.
Wala na akong bala. Yung kailangan ng bala. Ang kailangan ko items. Oh, ano yun? Ah! May trap. Wala, hindi ko mabuksan. Bigyan niyo akong items. Oh, item. Nice. May bala na ako. Tao po. Go card, go! Ah, okay. Card? Ah, ito. May tao. Oh, C4. Bigyan niyo ako ng item!